Yo, look at this goat. What is done right now? It is climbing the tree like it owns it. This is not normal. No, goats should move like this. Just watch. It's going higher and higher. All this just for some leaves. Bro, nature is unbelievable. If this shocked you, hit like and subscribe. تمارجي تمارجي